Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you own an e-bike or a bike that has one of those fat tires on it, those super wide tires, and let's say you get a flat, you need to replace the inner tube inside, then this here is a nice set for you. This is going to be 2 bike inner tubes that are 20-inch. So you have to have that 20-inch rim. And this is going to be 4.0, so for about 4 inches in width. So again, these are those fat tires, and you can see here how wide that tire would be. These are going to be super durable inner tubes here with a nice rubber, very durable, very reliable performance with these. Here's your little spigot there for the air intake. And they're going to also include some tools so you can get off the main tire before putting it in the inner tube. So they do include these, which is really nice. Again, these are going to be 20% more thicker than like your standard tubes. So if you're looking for something a little bit more rugged because you are out on trails, your e-bike has a flat or that fat tire bike has a flat, you can go ahead and pick up this replacement. It's nice that they give you 2. So maybe you only have 1 flat, right? You have 1 and then you have a spare, which is really nice. So overall, really nice set. Also gives you the tools to change the tire. Check them out. Really nice material that'll get you back on pedaling your bike so you can, hit the trails a little bit sooner. Shout out to this company for gifting me these so I could do this review.